Yeah, Dakar 25 was the dream ride, really. Starting the season strong, and obviously my first Dakar win. So starting off, we knew we had to come out of the gate swinging and in a really good position, winning prologue, and then the first couple stages really helped set the tone for the rest of the race. And yeah, I got a really healthy lead beginning of the race, and yeah, I was just really focused on my race and what I had to do and the job in front of me. And you know, the team backed me and supported me the whole time, and was really a big effort from everyone to have such a dominant race. Obviously, you know, I go out and do my thing during the day, but to come back and make sure everything's in place when I get back to the camper and the truck and the team, we refuel and get everything we need to go and focus on the next day, because you know, the 14-day race, it doesn't happen overnight. So to have so many consistent days, it's really important. And I feel, yeah, like it was the perfect race for me for a Dakar, to run that smoothly and to dominate with so many stage wins as well. It really set the tone. Yeah, I guess now we've wrapped up the World Championship for the W2R series. It's been a perfect season, so it's a clean sweep. It's, as a racer, that's all you can wish to do. Winning, yeah, the 4 in a row for the year, and yeah, this last race to go here in Morocco. So it takes a lot of weight off your shoulders for the last round here. You don't have to worry about the championship. You can just go out and focus on the race and try and win to get that perfect season of 5 out of 5 races. So it's been very hard to do. It hasn't been done in the past to do a clean sweep. So that's something I want to focus on doing, and you know, be the first guy to do that. It's going to be pretty cool, and I you know, I believe myself that I can do it, and I've put myself in this position to do it for my career, and yeah, I believe we can. So looking forward to lining up in a few days to get it done. Yeah, being in a team environment and you know, racing against your other teammates in the same class and in the event, it is tough at times, but yeah, you try to make the team as your family, as you spend so much time away from home, and you want to be comfortable with everyone having a good time and keeping that, you know, the focus away from racing when you don't have to think about racing. It's nice to come back to the team and just be open with everyone, just talk whatever you want to talk about, and it's always fun conversations and funny, and you have a good time, and it's, you know, light humour. So it's good. But then when it's crunch time and we need to flick the switch to go racing, myself and the team and my teammates all, you know, when it's times to get serious, it's game time, and we get the job done. I hope not. Hope they don't have a secret in the bag, but yeah, the goal is to go for the Dakar double, for sure. It's every race I want to go into, and I've said it many times, I want to win. So at the moment, there's nothing stopping me, holding me back, and that just gives me the confidence that I'm sure no other competitor wants me to have. So it's yeah, it's a good feeling to have for myself, and I know what I need to do, and I just got to keep doing it. Yeah, it is. If I don't have the target on my back for all the other competitors, it'd be something wrong. So yeah, I've set the benchmark for 25, and for everyone for 26 is sure going to be chasing me, and the pressure's going to be on. But for me, it's just keep doing my thing, and it's been working so far. And yeah, as long as I focus on my riding, that's all I have to worry about.